Okay, first we open the browser and search for Voicemod and click on voicemod.net. Then we click on download for free and log in. Once logged in, the download will start automatically. If it doesn't start automatically, click the blue button. Open the download, choose the setup language, click Next. Accept Next. If you want change the path, Next, Next, Next. Then launch the program. It will do one last download. Once opened, click Get Started. It will automatically log in, then click Next. Next and start using Voicemod. Okay, now you are on the home page. You can select the voice you want to change. You can access the sounds or the soundbar. Or you can change the settings or download extensions. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.